Seed stories. The only part of a plant that can move are the seeds. The seeds are growing in their mother flower, and when they are ready, they move to another place or disperse, and they land in a location where they are waiting to grow. How do they get there? Could be maybe a bird flies along, spies a berry, plucks it with its beak, eats it on the way to its nest, and poops before it gets there. That poop goes down into the ground, and perhaps inside there is a seed waiting. These seeds, lucky bean seeds, can go all the way across the ocean from one continent to another. And when they get there, they can be planted in the ground and grow. It could be a dandelion where the seed is waiting on the outside of the flower, waiting for a wind to come along and blow. And the seeds scatter in their parachutes. I haven't even mentioned humans. What about them? We collect the seeds and store them and wait for the next season so we can plant them in the ground. Interestingly, in each one of these seeds is a little plant waiting to grow. There's a root, a stem, and leaves. Do you know what these seeds are? I think you may have eaten the fruit before. A watermelon, yes. Even in seeds as tiny as these little carrots, there's a plant in every single seed. Seeds have one goal in mind. They want to make more of themselves. That's how they survive. On the way, we get really lucky. We get food and medicine and oxygen. We couldn't survive without them. They want more of themselves. And seeds is one way that they make more of themselves. It's not the only way. In the next 3 episodes, I'm going to focus on just 3 of the many seed starting techniques that there are. Perhaps you'll even develop your own. Let me know what you think.